What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Apologies for the lighting, guys. I wasn't able to make videos till a bit later today, and it's becoming night. It's about 5 p.m. here, almost 6 p.m. So we're sitting at 223. We're up almost 6% on the day for Cardano. We're sitting at a market cap of 70.76 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.99 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free Spotify, Netflix, travel incentives, as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's go over ADA, guys. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. In yesterday's video, I talked about our little ascending triangle. We broke out and that target was met. So that was a nice little trade opportunity of about 5%. If you'd like to trade ADA, sign up to Bybit for up to $600 in bonuses, my favorite platform for leverage trading. You can check out my full length tutorial. So we've come up and we've hit our resistance level at 225, and we've just slightly broken out of our descending channel here or our falling wedge, depending on how you're looking at it. Now, I did talk about this double bottom forming. I said if we come back down to test 205 as support, we could create this double bottom. So if you see ADA start to creep up, we are getting a little bit overbought across the market, so we may see a little bit of consolidation here. But if you see ADA creep up to this double bottom, we break the neckline. Your target for ADA is all the way up at about 292, and then your target from this descending channel here is up at 305. If we pop into ADA on the daily time frame, you can see we're finding some resistance along the 55 EMA. So it would be crucial if we're going to see continuation here to get back above the EMAs, get back above 225, hold it as support, break out of this double bottom pattern, and then we're good to go to head up to our target at 305. However, guys, if we were to get rejected here and we did roll over, do target 205, that strong level of support. If we quickly look at Bitcoin here, just had an absolutely massive breakout today. We're seeing that consolidation that I had gone over in my Bitcoin video. You can see we're overextended, we're overbought here. So if we're able to consolidate and we create this bull pennant here for Bitcoin, it'd be a huge breakout and would bring Bitcoin all the way up here, pretty close to this target, about 50K, 50.7K, which is the target of a larger double bottom on the daily for Bitcoin. So do keep an eye on that, guys. If we were to roll over here, I would expect us to find some support on the EMAs. We do have this support level at 44.9K. I do think it's more likely that we consolidate here before seeing continuation, but do keep an eye on that level of support. So we'll end the video here with ADA. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting breakouts, chart patterns. Great way to stay ahead of the game. As an investor and a trader, it's the price of a coffee, guys. So what we want to see with ADA here is we see a little bit of consolidation, and we're able to hold the resistance line here of our descending channel. We break 225, and then we can see that continuation. We break through that double bottom. 292 is your target, and then you have 3.05. I'll also give you some future price targets here based off the Fibonacci. The 1.272 is coming in at about 318. You have the 1.414 at about 361 and the 1.618 at 432. And then of course, if we were to roll here, guys, if we weren't able to consolidate and break 225, do target 205, that strong level of support. But if we do see that continuation here for Bitcoin, we'll see that continuation, of course, for ADA as well and the rest of the market. We'll quickly pop open ADA on the weekly just to show you guys here on the weekly. We beautifully wick down to the 20 EMA, and we're looking strong for continuation. ADA is definitely one of the strongest projects. As you can see, when we go through a correction, we beautifully come back to the 20 EMA on the weekly, and we're looking for continuation, in my opinion. All right, guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit. Oh my God, it's getting so dark. Up to $600 in bonuses, as well as $50 just for your first deposit within 48 hours. Check out the Discord. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.